Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Milo milkshake. Measure 1 cup cold milk, 3 tablespoon Milo, and 2 scoops vanilla ice cream. Add 4 ice cubes and 1 TSB sugar if you like it sweeter. Blend on high for about 30 seconds until frothy and smooth. Pour into a chilled glass, top with a Milo sprinkle, and enjoy a rich, chocolatey milkshake that's quick and satisfying. For variations, swap whole milk for almond or oat milk to make a dairy-free Milo milkshake. Increase Milo from 2 to 4 tablespoons for a stronger chocolate malt flavor. For an extra creamy shake, replace 1 milk cup with 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Add a pinch of salt to enhance sweetness, or use a frozen banana for natural thickening. Serve right away to keep it frothy and perfectly chilled for sipping. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy when you're grabbing groceries or running to the kitchen for ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair if you want. Thanks for listening. Now let's get back to the video. Consider mix-ins to customize your Milo milkshake without fuss. Blend in 1 tablespoon peanut butter for a salty sweet boost, or add 1 banana to naturally thicken and sweeten the shake. For a cookie milkshake, drop in 3 crushed biscuits before blending. A pinch of cinnamon or a splash of espresso can deepen the flavor. Always taste and adjust Milo and sugar amounts to match your preferred sweetness and richness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.